In this video, we're going to go over how to multiply integers. So I'm going to give you 4 examples right here, just to give you a general idea. So say I were to give you 3 times 4, and I told you to find the answer. Well, that would be 12. Now, say I were to give you negative 3 times negative 4, and I told you to find the answer. What would that be? Well, as a general rule, whenever you have the same sign, the answer is going to be positive. So here we have 2 positives and the answer is positive. Here we have 2 negatives, so the answer is going to be positive 12. Now, let's say I were to give you negative 3 times 4, or positive 4. Well, as a general rule, when you have different signs, so you have a negative here and a positive here, the answer is going to be negative. So negative 3 times positive 4 is equal to negative 12. And then one last variation of this, say I were to give you 3 times negative 4. Again, when we have 2 different signs, the answer is going to be negative. So 3 times negative 4 is equal to negative 12. Now I'll try one problem and pause the video and try it on your own. But say I were to give you 2 or negative 2 times 3 times negative 4. So pause the video and try it on your own. But when you come back, you'll see the process is pretty similar. Here, we're going to break this down. So we have negative 2 times 3. So earlier we said that when the 2 signs are different, the answer is going to be negative. So negative 2 times 3 is going to give us a negative answer of negative 6. Now, we have negative 6 times the remaining negative 4. Now earlier we also said that when the 2 signs are the same, we get a positive answer. So negative 6 times negative 4 is going to give us a positive answer of essentially 6 times 4, which is 24. So negative 6 times negative 4 is equal, it's equal to 24. So basically, I want you to remember, when the signs are the same and you're multiplying, you get a positive answer. And when the signs are different and you're multiplying, you get a negative answer. I hope this video helped. Thank you.